This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and bilkomponenter. We are back home, so excuse you for all the mess around here. It's just the toys all over the house. Yeah, the kids, they've taken over the house. But yeah, so the Macan 4 did 0 to 100 in around 5 seconds. It's supposed to be 5.2 seconds. It's fast in spec, but it is quite heavy compared to some other cars here. To my big surprise, for example, Ioniq 5 has 100 less horsepower, but it's even faster. Maybe they just have a flatter power curve there. Ioniq 5. These are 800 volt cars anyway, right? So we have the 800 volt hype. But compared to, for example, the Q6 e-tron Quattro, that one is 5.5 seconds roughly. But wow, it's supposed to be 5.9, really? It's a bit lighter. No, it's actually heavier. Well, yeah, okay, it's heavier, that's why it is slower. But there's an SQ6 e-tron here. Costs roughly the same as Porsche, actually. It's a lot faster. Then we have 517 horsepower. But you can also get, of course, the Macan 4S that is faster. So yeah, in terms of acceleration, it is okay. When it comes to noise, Macan comes here, 65.8 decibel average, roughly. It has some freaking fat tires, 22 inch. We talk about 40 or 35 profile tires here. Compared to the Q6, it has a more modest tire dimension, but still quite kind of fat 285, and here 295. But then the Q6, okay, was slightly better, but the Q6 had that humming noise. I wonder if you can see it here in the result. No, but you see, yeah, well, we have fat tires, but despite that we have quite fat tires, I was surprised that it wasn't that noisy, you know? But it is on top here. You see, if I scroll up here, the best is the Neo EL8, superb in noise level. But the Macan, despite that it has fat tires, still okay. When it comes to braking, also on top, you see in the bottom, you have all the winter tires here. But on top here, Macan is almost as good as some of the Teslas here. Yeah. The reason why Teslas are good is because they are light. But think about this, a 2.5 ton beast brakes almost as well as a 2-ton Model 3, right? No, that was a Model Y, Model Y. So that is probably due to the sticky and fat tires. Not sure how sticky these are, but just by the name of it, Super F1, Super Sport, this is for F1 cars, yeah. But there you guys have it. Performance-wise, the Macan is quite good, even though it's a poor man's Macan. Yeah, the reason why I say it's poor man's Macan is because it costs only 1.2 million NOK. The base price is 800k, and there is only 300k NOK in extras. Who specs a Porsche with only 300k extras? Okay, anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.